Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Shamrock, or 31 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Shamrock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has extended severe thunderstorm watch 501 to include the following areas until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening in Colorado. This watch includes 3 counties in east central Colorado: Elbert, Lincoln, in northeast Colorado, Washington. This includes the cities of Akron, Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Lehman. Severe thunderstorm watch 501 remains valid until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening for the following areas in Colorado. This watch includes 3 counties in northeast Colorado: Logan, Phillips, Sedgwick. This includes the cities of Holyoke, Julesburg, and Sterling. Primary threats include scattered damaging winds likely with isolated significant gusts to 75 miles an hour, possible scattered large hail likely with isolated very large hail events to 3 inches in diameter, possible a tornado or 2 possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.